So Chuck is our patient today, and he's complaining of some red growths on his skin. He finds that he's getting more of these with time. So on inspection and with dermoscopy, I am 100% sure they are cherry hemangiomas. I call them cherry bombs, and what a nuisance they are. So we're going to treat him today with the XLV laser using the 532 nanometer wavelength. The most important thing is we all must protect our eyes. This is a laser device. It can have serious consequences in the wrong hands. We're going to add some gel to the lesions we're going to treat. There's one here and one here. There's a little one there, Chuck. Okay. And there's a few on your neck. We're going to get those too. Okay. Great. All right. Does everyone have their goggles?
Yes.
Check.
Chuck is check. Okay. Got my little foot pedal here. And we are ready to rock and roll. So the laser will sing to me when it's ready to go. We'll start on the neck. And we see the aiming beam. It has a cold sapphire tip as well as the gel as a coolant. 1, 2, 3. How was that, Chuck? How you doing?
Very well.
And we can go very quick to get rid of these. And I have to tell you, it's one of my #1 procedures, this XLV. We have it in a room and it's always being used. You got to take a number to have this treatment. It can do a number of things. So there we see the finished touch. It's a little tickle, right? Mm-hmm. We have a little area of purpura there, and it will continue to turn a darker brown and just disappear. So it's a very quick and easy treatment that can be done. So the XLV can be used to treat brown spots. It can be used for hair removal at a different wavelength. It's excellent for that. Little blood vessels that we have along the nose, it's amazing for that. And also can be used to treat warts and sun damage on the skin, like Chuck has a little bit here on his neck that we call poikiloderma.